Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all enjoying my American adventure videos at the moment. Thanks for watching if you have. Today I've got a little bit of a different kind of video for you. Recently I purchased the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. So I decided what I would do would be share with you guys a walk round Edinburgh's Christmas Market for 2023. Have a look at the footage, and this is basically what's come out of this little camera, which is quite incredible. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, but more to the point, did you enjoy the footage that came out of that little camera? That is incredible. Now for any tech person, I've used 4K 50 on this video, and I thought it came out absolutely great in low light conditions. So thanks for watching, and hopefully leaving your comments, and I'll see you on the next video, which will be out this weekend. For the people that watch in America, thank you. and also happy Thanksgiving weekend. Bye for now.